195, evening time wave, 338 in Houston, read your mail.
Gulf Coast ground plane got down.
Say bye, bye, bye. 913 up. 609. 195, got a grip on your lip. Hey, 195, got a grip on your lip in the Bayou country. 195, big guy in the swamp getting down.
First smoker, Red Baron ground plane.
Look out here. For this big boy, put the mall on this old half-wide station. Get here on a kilowatt. Oh, 195. It's tough in Texas, man, but I got you in there every once in a while. Evening time wave, 195 in the sand pile, 338 in this dome with your mail. Break, break, break. Bump, 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 bump. All right, 195, man, it's rough. I'm gonna have to wait for my turn to burn, I reckon. I heard you in my radio, figure I'd try to wave that wave. 195 around the sand pile, 338 down here around this dome, listening. Oh, God, pretty much. The chicken juice, 641. I'm getting on up. I got you in there, dear Slayer. My condition is kind of wishy-washy, it sounds like. But I heard you in my radio, evening time wave. Now that we got a little bit of Mother Nature, Mr. Deer Slayer, 338, read your mail. Oh. Houston on the mail. Dear Slayer, while you're looking up north because the wind's blowing. Don't run you on that. I got that crank up, man. I just run out there and run it down a couple feet when the wind starts blowing. But anyhow, take care. Sounding good in my hood, Mr. Deer Slayer. 338 in this dome, rock it on. Now, 156. Yeah, I'm out of DX land. South. 386, right back, southeast Texas.
Hey, y'all, wish you could turn that beam. 913.
Hey, 913. I'll see you up at the doggone pickup truck, Thomas. 606 in Oklahoma, 606. Oklahoma. You ain't doing no talking, no doubt. Bump it down more later. Reading the mail. How about it, that DX land? DX 1118 1118 down south. Somebody get up. Good deal, right there, right now. We're Houston on the mail. You ain't gonna hit no running man while slow motion. 913 in Louisiana. Waving back. Slow motion got down. Hey, Roger D, man, just seeing if my little unit in Grand Omega there, Roger.
Hey, Reaper Smoker, look around Texas right now. Red Baron in Texas got down for a quickie.
Hey, Roger D there. Okay, man, appreciate the company.
Hey, David 2 Hawk, I gave him a head start. Hey, David 2 Hawk,